Hey everybody, I'm Jenny Harkleroad. I'm the owner of Balanced You, where people hire us to reprogram their minds for ultimate success. So this morning, my husband and I are in the bathroom getting ready for work, even though we're working from home during COVID. And this doesn't happen that often. Usually I'm up before him or he's up before me, but today we were both there together. And I was about to open the ironing board to iron my shirt, but our ironing board makes this terrible loud squeak. I mean, it's so loud. I feel really bad for myself and my dog in the morning. My dog's my little shadow, like getting ready that we both have to hear this. Now, my husband was also in the bathroom and I didn't want to put him through this sound, even though he probably hears it from other parts of the house when I do it in the morning. And so I thought, what can I do so the ironing board doesn't make that crazy sound when I open it? Because he's like 2 feet away and I'm going to deafen him. And so I started thinking, what can I do? What can I do? And then I remembered underneath my bathroom sink, I have this little spray that I use for the clippers that I use to cut my husband's hair. I could spray that potentially on the ironing board and then it wouldn't make that crazy sound and we'd all be in a lot more peaceful state, right? So I asked my husband, do you think this stuff would work? He said, try it. So we sprayed it on there. We opened the ironing board and it was probably like 90% better. And I just had to laugh because how many mornings have I put myself through this torture of hearing this nails on a chalkboard sound? And it was just solved just like that. And it'll probably be even better tomorrow now that that stuff has had some time to settle in. And it made me think about our lives. What are we struggling with over and over and over and over and over again? And we just keep struggling. What is that thing and how can we solve it? Now, the answer might be closer than you realize. It might be underneath your bathroom sink. You'll never know what you'll find under there. But you know what else? It might be right here. It might be between your ears. It might be the power of your subconscious mind. You can change anything, I believe. I haven't seen anything yet that you can't change with the power of your mind, because when you change your perception, you change your reality. So I challenge you to think outside the box about your problems and what solutions there are. What solution can you find to something that's driving you crazy? Maybe it is just an arm's reach away, or maybe it's just looking into the power of the mind and transforming your perception. If you want to learn more about the power of your mind and how you can use it to solve your problems, just visit us online. Go to balancedyou.org. You can even schedule a free 30-minute consult there. I hope I can talk to you soon. I'm Jenny, owner Balanced You.